The baby? Do you want to see the whale? He's kind of on this. There's like 2 or 3 there.
Yeah, there are 3. Oh.
They're getting feisty.
A bubble feeder. Oh, yeah, bubble. See it? That's a bubble feeder right there.
Honey, do you want to see him? Come here. Come here.
Sorry, the baby.
Oh, look. 2 of them. Oh, did you get that ball? Uh-huh. I'm videotaping.
Can you see him? Come here.
Oh, look. Hello. Bam.
Look at him.
Get closer.
Ollie.
No. Please get
No.
We're good.
There's no mom. Just in case.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, look at it. Oh, look.
Oh.
Oh. What's that, a whale?
It's like I don't know where to point the camera.
I know. I'm not blocking you at all, am I?
Uh-huh.
Can I get down? What do you want to do? I'm right here. Oh. Sorry.
That's okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
Get a little closer over there, Chuck, please. Just
You
aim it
okay?
a little closer.
Do you want to get down? You can get down. Is he fine?
Yeah,
Okay.
fine. He's a good
Tell
boy.
me if you need to get him.
Okay.
What? Look at
Now,
Ollie.
Chuck, and now you can
Mom.
just, I see him. Now just turn it off and let us get closer. Just, now just turn it off. Or just,
Okay, but I got 30.